Yeah. Ah. Breakout, an iconic video game steeped in gaming legend and history. But can you code such a game on the CodeX, a microcontroller? I believe you can. Let's try, shall we? Okay, let's get into Breakout. Let's break in. So the game starts out, or the mission starts out, just sort of giving you the background and the history of Breakout, which has got a really cool history. I'm not gonna spoil it for you, so that's enough of that. Don't look at that anymore. We're gonna go right into Objective 1. We got like a screenshot from the 1976 premier arcade game Breakout. So this is what we're trying to reproduce here on our Codex. We're gonna start with the code from Handball. So Handball is kind of like the starting point for this, right? So I've got the Handball code here, made a few changes based on the code track. It's gonna tell me what to do. I'm adding in some bricks. We're just prototyping. Can we make it look like there's some Breakout bricks in this thing? So let's give that a shot. So I already had something running there. I'm starting it back running. Looks like I fulfilled my objectives here. And let's see what we got. I'm expecting Handball, but with bricks. It looks right. Prototype looks good. So it looks kind of like Handball, except for the ball is just like ripping through these bricks that don't do anything. They're all like colorful and it looks right, but it's wrong. We go to the next objective. It's gonna bring in something called the matrix. Who knew? You had to go to the matrix to make this all happen. Some great computer science concepts. You're gonna learn about how to make a matrix in Python. Really cool. This next one after that, we're like using code to create the bricks so that your program will be able to know when you've hit one, right? You gotta know when you've like smashed a brick and gotta make it go away and stuff like that. So there's that step. Really awesome. Some great descriptions here. Some of the best game code walkthroughs ever done are in this mission. It's amazing. So this next one, we gotta do this. I gotta try this, smash. This is where you actually detect the collision with a brick. It takes a little work. So I'm gonna bring this code up. We'll stop this one. Got the code that actually detects the brick collision and gets rid of the brick. So let's give that a try. The validators in CodeSpace are telling me I've got it right. That's good because no one that wrote it anyway, so. Oh yeah. It is so much fun. Just rips right through the bricks. You get sound effects. You've already like made a game that's actually super fun to play. Unfortunately, the scoring is all wrong. And by the way, Breakout is not that easy. The bricks bounce back. So we've got to add that capability in, right? And then we're gonna learn about operator precedence in Python because you need it in order to get the right bricks doing the right things. Anyway, so we're gonna make it where the bricks actually rebound the ball and then add a little gamification, get our score right. Make sure you get like an extra life when you clear a wave of bricks and you get a new set of bricks out there and all that stuff until we're finally at the very last step of this mission, the last objective, where we're gonna make it where you can theoretically just get an infinitely high score and play forever, but with some twists. So let's take that code for a spin. I'm gonna stop the code that's running and I'm going to give that a shot. So we're loading up this objective Breakout Forever. And this is the final iteration, the final game I should be able to play and find quite a challenge in clearing screens of bricks, but also get some rewards as I go through it. And the scoring is all correct. It's all per the original game with a few additional bits of awesomeness. So I think you're gonna enjoy it. Jump in there, it's okay. The water is fine and Breakout is ready for you. Come get it.